The Lyfgenia trial, which led to the drug's approval, showed 88% of patients had complete resolution of their symptoms. The price tag Bluebird Bio filed is $3.1 million per treatment. This isn't just one person's story, it's a potential fix for a disease that affects over 100,000 people in the U.S. alone, primarily Black and Hispanic individuals. The breakthrough is a gene therapy called Lyfgenia, but its cost raises questions about its accessibility. So what actually is sickle cell disease? It's an inherited disorder where a defective gene causes red blood cells to become crescent or sickle-shaped. These cells can't carry oxygen properly and are prone to clumping, causing blockages, severe pain, and reducing average lifespan by 20 years. Lyfgenia is a one-time treatment that fixes the problem at the source. Doctors take your own blood stem cells, use a virus to paste in a functional hemoglobin gene, then infuse the corrected cells back into your body. The results of that fix are what got it approved. The benchmark that led to FDA approval is impressive. In clinical trials for Lyfgenia, 88% of patients saw a complete resolution of their symptoms. Resolution here means the painful episodes, the blood vessel blockages, just stop. But that effectiveness comes with a staggering price tag. The catch is the cost. Lyfgenia is priced at $3.1 million per treatment. A competing CRISPR-based therapy, Casgevy, was approved at the same time and costs $2.2 million. But to understand why a company might charge that much, you have to see what it's replacing. That procedure is risky. The National Institutes of Health reports that about 1 in 20 children receiving a transplant for sickle cell die from the procedure. For patients 16 or older, that number jumps to 1 in 10. It's a brutal calculation that this new gene therapy seems to solve. But that brings us to the real question for the 100,000 people affected. So what does this mean for you? If you or someone you know has sickle cell disease, a cure now officially exists. The one number that defines this new reality isn't the 88% success rate, but the $3.1 million price. This is the new front line. The science works, but the financial model is broken. The technology to fix a debilitating genetic disease is here. The final hurdle isn't in the lab, it's in the ledger. The story of Sebastian Bozil is a landmark, proof that we can edit our own biology to fix what's broken. But his cure also exposes the massive gap between a medical breakthrough and a public solution. The question to watch now is how insurers, governments, and manufacturers will bridge that multi-million-dollar gap. Stay patched.